Athletes don't wait till game day before they start training. We shouldn't wait till temptation comes before we start praying. Let's continue our prayer exercise to build strength, endurance, and power. Temptation can come at any time. We don't know the day or hour. Studying the night before is a risk, you know. You might fail tomorrow's test. If you don't build self-discipline, you might use your hand and touch someone's breast. Praying prepares you for the fight. It gives you power to win. Those that skip training fell into sin. The devil will not give you notice. Hello, I'm coming to attack. Yes, I'm coming to attack. No, he might come from the front. He might come from the back. Through prayer, we get spiritual insight. We can actually peep into the devil's plan and prepare for the fight so that we can be the bigger man. Prepare for your fight, bro. Trust me, it will come. Don't wait till the race is announced before you start to run. In Genesis 39, temptation came to Joseph face to face. He was prepared. He ran. He won that race. The spirit is willing, but the body is weak. The body likes to conform. It is through the power of the spirit that we train the body to perform. Don't wait till temptation comes. Start training to be pure. Start training to live pure so that on that day of temptation, you will have the strength to endure. If we want to win over sin, let's learn from the athlete, because training can be the difference between a win or defeat. Let's continue training and praying. Let's not wait for a fight. We're ready. We're living ready and steady. See you tonight.